So hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today is my presentation. So I'm just waiting. So let's see what happened after 30 minutes. What my reaction and what my anxiety and मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ क्या नहीं कर सकता बाकी देख चेक कर सकते हो आप मिलते हैं जल्दी. Hello sir. So I worked sales performance analysis project and in this project our business context and objective. Business context is basically retail company. They run two campaigns, so Diwali and Sankranti to boost their sale. Our objective is analyze the impact of promotional campaign on product. Basically, which product is more best selling product, and check out which campaign run most. Basically, I used to make this project three tools: Microsoft Excel, SQL, and Power BI. For in Microsoft Excel, I use lots of things, formulas, function like XLOOKUP, VLOOKUP, sum, if, pivot table, and pivot chart. SQL, I use queries, aggregate, group by, and window function, CT, subquery. Power BI basically I use for visualization, dashboard, measures, and visualizing filter. And what our analyze 50 store, 1500 event and 2 cabin, and we have 15 product to analyze which product is good, which product is not good. This is our AR diagram. Basically this is fact event, its primary key and its foreign key, campaign ID, because it's referred to another table make up primary key. I analyze for all project. So it's our KPI distributed analysis. So total discounted revenue 24.8 crore, and based on total revenue what our profit is 9.99 crore, and our average sales growth very good and 106.2%. Sales event and basically store and cities, we have 10 cities. If promo type BOGO 500 cashback 33%, 50%, 25%, and 50 products across 5 cities in 10 cities. I analyze a promo type analysis, which promo work best to grow sales. According to my analyzed BOGO F, it's very good promo type. Its average growth to 261.2%. 25% of its very negative growth. Across 400 events, customer reduced purchase at 25%. So according to me and what I analyzed, so BOGO and 500 cashback, it's very good. I use there is stack chart. Combo one generate 158 million, and it's our top category sales performance of. As lower is personal care. I think personal care generate low sale because according to me and I analyzed, it's not good promotion. They don't get a right audience, and home application and grocery step is consistently demanded. So it's generate 58 million. Highest is combo offer and lowest personal care. So product by sale. So first one is Atlic Home Essential 8 product combo. It's generate 158 million. Basically combo category generate only one combo. Its name is Atlic Home Essential. Second is Atlic Sunrise Rice and Atta Chakki and Atlic Waterproof Emergency Store 12 million. Atlic Double Bedsheet Set 9 million. So this indicate the combo bundle product are extremely popular among customers, and the remaining products such as rice, atta, Empress Road and bedsheet contribute moderate sales running from 9 million to 31 million. This suggests that essential grocery product maintain stable demand, while combo offer drive the highest revenue. We should use in every future we use combo type product. It's great to make more sale. This is city and store analyze relation performance. So Bangalore generate very good sale 5.97 crore revenue generate, and overall percentage we can see easily a 24.1% generate only one city is Bangalore, and second is Chennai, and third is Hyderabad, and low generated city is Trivandrum and Vijayawada. And what my key insight and recommendation? So BOGO is the most effective promotions, and my recommendation is scale BOGO app promo across grocery and home care. It's all future campaign. It's consistent delivery 261 average growth. So in future we add must BOGO app promo type, and we avoid 25% off because it's so negative. According to I analyze, we should just add two type BOGO F and cashback, and we also in future we also decide new type of promo type like BOGO F buy one get one two, like that. And combo product drive outside values. Combo product is very good product which generate more sale, and every customer want to need because it's look like cheap price and it's give more quantity. In combo we usually get more quantity, like more and more. And double down on metro cities, we like Bangalore, Chennai, Hyderabad. Just 3 cities generate on percentage 58.5% revenue. So we will open new store in these cities more and more. Thank you so much, sir. Finally I did it, और बहुत ही नर्वस सा फील हुआ मुझे फर्स्ट टाइम, क्योंकि मैंने प्रेजेंटेशन दी है. बाकी लेट्स सी व्हाट हैपेंड. थैंक यू सो मच. बाय बाय.